Very good morning, class. Myself Naveen Kumar, Assistant Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department, United College of Engineering and Research. My specialization in production engineering. Today I will discuss about the additive manufacturing process, or it is also known as the 3D printing technology or manufacturing process. First of all, we discuss about the what is the manufacturing. Manufacturing is a process in which raw materials are transformed into a finished product. But the finished product, it is not a formed in a single steps, because of we need of some surface finishing, dimensional accuracy and petal tolerance. So find out the surface finishing with the help of machining process, that is we remove the excess material from the workpiece with the help of cutting tools. That is, wastage of materials is maximum in subtractive manufacturing methods. So we found another manufacturing methods where the material is not subtract in the form of chips or powders. Here in additive manufacturing, that technology can make anything with the help of addition of materials in the form of layer by layer, and it's eliminate different types of constraints imposed by the conventional manufacturing methods, leads to more market opportunities because of very complex structure, very small structures, components and very lightweight components are easily made with the help of additive manufacturing process, and increase in 3D faxing center scan object with the help of any design software and send to the digital image in the layer, and then received by layered image, and the material is melted and uses a AM machine, additive machine, to fabricate the 3D object. So there is no material is removed in additive manufacturing, and only addition of materials in the form of layer by layer we can create a 3D object. So that is, no material is wasted in additive manufacturing process. That is the minimum wastage of materials in the additive manufacturing process. Definition: additive manufacturing process refers to a process by which a digital 3D design data is used to build up a component in a layer by deposit material. That is, in additive manufacturing process we design a 3D data with the help of different types of designing software, and this software command to a additive manufacturing method, and the material build up in a layer by layer by depositing the material and form a different components like a fan, and this is complex design, and this is also the complex design with very accuracy. That is, no wastage of materials in additive manufacturing process. The basic difference between additive or versus subtractive manufacturing process, that is, in additive manufacturing process involve adding layer of material to create an object. But in subtractive manufacturing methods, we remove the material from an object with the help of cutting tools and form a object in a 3D models. That means removing of materials in subtractive manufacturing method, but in addition of materials layer by layer in additive manufacturing process. Process include 3D printing, direct digital manufacturing, rapid prototyping or additive or layered fabrication in additive manufacturing process. In subtractive manufacturing process, the manual removal, that is the metal removal by manually or traditional machining methods or CNC or advanced machining method. Uses of computer and specialist 3D printing equipments to create a products or prototype very good quality. Here in subtractive manufacturing method uses computers and robotics to assist standard machining process, that is turning, drilling or milling. The layering of leaves a slightly stepped or rough surface which need to be finished post processing by sanding or blowing. That means in additive manufacturing process the surface finishing is not very good with respect to very soft surface finishing with the help of unconventional machining methods. That is the drawback of additive manufacturing process. Intricate and hollow objects can easily be built up in layer by layer. That is the big advantage in additive manufacturing process, but in subtractive manufacturing process hollow object and intricate shapes cannot be possible or very difficult to possible with the help of subtractive machining methods. Best suited for smaller items or parts, especially in plastics. If we create a very small object in plastic materials, the additive manufacturing method is very advantageous. Subtractive best suited for manufacturing voluminous items parts, especially in metals. Depending upon the size of components, 3D printing can be slow process, but in subtractive manufacturing methods it is relatively very fast process in comparison to additive manufacturing process. Here additive manufacturing process software is available to directly link the design to the 3D printer, so a machine operator is not necessary in additive manufacturing process, but in subtractive manufacturing process a skilled operator or semi skilled operator is required for a operate for CNC machinist or other unconventional machining methods as well as manual or conventional machining methods. Overall 3D printing is a fairly cheap process, but generally subtractive method more expensive than the additive manufacturing process. So it is the basic difference between the additive versus subtractive manufacturing methods. Here very important points discuss about the additive manufacturing versus subtractive manufacturing process, that is the part complexity. If we create a very complex object like here a hollow ball and it is spanner for the different operation, here very complex object with the help of additive manufacturing process is very easily manufactured, but by the subtractive manufacturing process this type of object cannot be easily possible with very high accuracy like a hollow balls. Materials, different types of materials are used in additive manufacturing process like a metal, plastics and others materials are used. Speed, the speed is very low in comparison to conventional machining methods because of here we add material layer by layer, but in subtractive manufacturing methods the material is removed in the form of chips So that is the subtractive manufacturing process is very fast process in comparison to additive manufacturing process. Part quality, very complex part, as well as surface finishing of some components is very good in comparison to subtractive manufacturing method, but overall the surface finishing in comparison to subtractive manufacturing process in additive manufacturing process is comparatively low. Cost, the component cost in additive manufacturing process in comparison to subtractive manufacturing methods is less. Here another example for the making of a cup, and difference between additive and subtractive manufacturing process. First is the cavity. Here make to deep machine, like it very difficult by the machining process, and sharp internal features cannot be machined without any tool radius. Like here base cannot be machined since machine must be held using a fixture, and here the undercut here cannot be performed without more than the 3-axis machining process. That is the main number of constraints are available for subtractive manufacturing process, but by the use of additive manufacturing process we create a very complex geometry with the help of additive manufacturing process is very accurately and economically can be formed. It is the classification depends upon the materials properties, like a solid, liquid or powders. Different types of additive manufacturing process are divided in the form of solid material if the material is solid, and it is the material of liquid state in the material is the state of powder. In solid state, FDM, FEF, LOM and DRAW are very most important in the case of solid phase of raw materials. But if the material is liquid, with different types of materials manufacturing methods in AM process, like a SLA selective laser addition, RFP process, MGM process and DLP process. And if the material is in the form of powders, 3DP, EBM process, SLS process, lens process and SLM as well as LMD and pro metal process. It is a very important process in different types of materials like a solid or liquid as well as powder form. And it is the very common materials used for in additive manufacturing process, like 3D printing, metal extrusion process that is FDM process, wet polymerization process that is SLA and DLP process, powder bed and fusion process like a polymer that is the SLS process, material gelting. Now the material gelting DOD process. It is the very most important for the material in case of metals. Next, binder jetting materials and powder bed fusion materials like a DMLS and SLM and EBM process. And it is the different types of technology and AM process, and which type of materials used for the different types of materials and different types of technologies and advantage and disadvantage. Like a stereography process have advantages for the complex geometry, details, parts and smooth finish, and disadvantage post curing of required for support of structures, and liquid polymers materials or composite materials are used for the stereolithography. And different types of process, it depends upon the different types of materials used, and it is the very advantage for different types of application, and it is also has different types of advantage, disadvantage according to the AM process. Advantage, This production offers a range of advantages compared to traditional manufacturing methods. These advantages include those related to design, time, and cost, and amongst others. First is the flexible design. The advantage, it is the most important advantage, flexible design. That is, the 3D printing allows the design and print of more complex design than the traditional manufacturing process. That is, we create a very complex design and we can convert a complex design into a 3D models. More traditional processes have design restriction which no longer apply with the use of 3D printing technology. Second is the rapid prototyping. 3D printing can manufacture parts within hours, which is speed up to the prototyping process. This allow for each stage to complete faster in comparison to conventional methods. This allow for each stage of complete faster when compared to machining prototypes. 3D printing is inexpensive and quicker at creating parts in comparison to conventional methods. Third is the print or demands. That is the another big advantage for the AM process. Print or demand is another advantage, that it does not need a lot of space to stock inventory. That is, the inventory is very low in AM process. Unlike traditional manufacturing process have very large number of inventory, so this saves the space and cost as there is no need of print to bulk and unless required. The 3D design files are not stored in a virtual library as they are printed using a 3D models as either a CAD or a STL file, and this means by it located and printed when needed. Edits to be design can be made at very low cost by editing individual files without wastage of out of data inventory and investing in a tools. That is the big advantage in AM process like a print on demands. Next is the strong and lightweight parts. With the help of 3D printers, 3D printing machines or additive manufacturing methods, we create a very strong and lightweight parts which cannot be created by the subtractive or conventional machining methods, and also parts can be created by from tailored materials to provide specific properties such as heat resistance, high strength and water repellency. It is the big advantage for the additive manufacturing process. Like very small parts is creating with the help of additive manufacturing process with the lightweight, heat resistance and high strength. That is, the very small component with very high strength can be easily made with the help of additive manufacturing process. Fast design and production. Depending on a part design and complexity, the 3D printing can print object within an hour, which is much faster than the molded or machined parts, because of many number of components are assembled in the machine. But in here we create a design and we send the command to the additive manufacturing machines and we convert layer by layer a 3D object within an hour. So this process is very fast for design as well as the production process, because of it is not only the manufacture of parts that can offer this time saving through the 3D printing, but also the design process can be very quick by creating STL or CAD files ready to print it. With the help of STL or CAD files, we convert to the 3D model with the help of AM 3D printing machines. That is the next is the minimizing waste, because of here we cannot remove the material in the form of chips or powders, so the wastage of materials is very minimum here. That is AM process is additive manufacturing process. That is the we deposit the layer by layer and create a 3D object. The production of parts only require the materials needed for the part itself with a little or no wastage of compared to alternative methods which are cut from the large chunk or non recyclable materials. So the material waste is very low or minimizing the wastage of in AM process. Cost effective. As a single step manufacturing process, 3D printing saves times and their cost associated with using different machines for manufacturers. So 3D printers can also be set up and left to go on the job, meaning that there is no needs of operators to be present the entire time. As mentioned above, this manufacturing process can also reduce the cost on materials as it only uses the amount of material required for the part itself with little or no wastage. And while 3D printing equipments can be expensive to buy, you can even avoid this cost by outsourcing your project to a 3D printing service company. So the cost is very low in comparison to subtractive method in additive manufacturing process because of no need of very skilled operator, and this operator cannot be permanently work on the machine. So this process is very reduced in term of space, inventory as well as operator cost here is very minimum in comparison to subtractive machining methods, because of it is a each machine process is required some special machining and complex geometry is not here. Ease of access, 3D printer can become more and more accessible with more local service provider offering outsourcing services for the manufacturing work. This saves the time and does not require expensive transport cost as compared to more traditional machining manufacturing process produced abroad in countries such as China. So the ease of access is very economical in the term of cost for the additive manufacturing process. Next, environmentally friendly, as this technology reduces the amount of material wastage. So the environmental benefits are extended when are considered factors such as improved fuel efficiency from lightweight 3D printing parts. So this process is environmentally friendly in comparison to subtractive methods. Last is the advanced healthcare. 3D printing is being used in the medical sectors to help save lives for printing organs for the human body such as livers, kidney and hearts. It is the big advantage for the additive manufacturing process, like liver, kidney and other parts are easily made by the additive manufacturing process. That is the biggest advantage from the using of this technology in comparison to subtractive manufacturing methods. Disadvantage in additive manufacturing process, that is limitation of limited materials. So it is very limited for limited materials applications. Restricted build size, that is the chamber of working is very limited. So this process is restricted build up size, that is the additive manufacturing process is used for the small number of components of parts. The size of components are restricted in additive manufacturing process. So this can increase the cost and times for larger parts due to printer needing to print more parts before manual labor is used to join the parts together. Here it is the working chamber for the additive manufacturing process. The space is limited so that the small components are only made by additive manufacturing process. That is the big disadvantage for the additive manufacturing process. Post processing, in additive manufacturing process we need of some post processing process, like create a 3D object with the help of different design of software, and this design in converted to STL file, and then STL files converted to a 3D object with the help of additive manufacturing process by depositing the layer by layer. So need of post processing in additive manufacturing process. Large volume, that means the restriction of large volume, that means the large big size of components cannot be made by the additive manufacturing process. If we made by large number of components, the cost is very much higher in comparison to subtractive methods. Parts structure, with the 3D printing, also known as the additive manufacturing process, parts are produced by layer. Although these layers are adhered together, it also means that they can delaminate under certain stresses orientation. This problem is more significant when the producing items using fused deposition modeling, while polyjet and multijet parts also tend to the more brittles. In certain cases, it may be better to use injection molding, and it creates homogeneous parts that will not be separate and breaks easily. Next, reduction in manufacturing jobs, because of here we need of a number of skilled operators for making the object, so that the 3D object or additive manufacturing process is reducing the manufacturing jobs. Design inaccuracy, another potential problem with the 3D printings. If we create a faulty design by the help of different types of software, so the products are useless for the application. Copyright issue, a 3D printing is becoming more popular and accessible. There is a greater possibility for people to create a fake or counterfeit products. That is the big disadvantage for the additive manufacturing process. Here, like components, and this is a copy of that. The copyright problem is very big issue for the additive manufacturing process. Application, different application for the manufacturing process. With the help of additive manufacturing process, we create a complex structure like a in the form of production, like a fan with the very good quality and very complex design can be formed easily with the help of additive manufacturing process. Next, like a clothing, here the very complex design of sandals can be easily made by the help of additive manufacturing process, like a very complex structure and light in weight and strength is more in comparison to other subtractive methods. Like a very small pendles or very complex design can be easily made with the help of additive manufacturing process, and is the heel for the sandal is very lightweight and very high strength, can be easily made with the help of additive manufacturing process. Application, in the form of medicals, we can create a very good teeth with respect to jaw for the human bodies, and it is very accurate with the help of additive manufacturing process. Big strength and very small number of component can be easily done by the additive manufacturing process. And with the help of additive manufacturing process, in the application of food, we are making the different types of foods for the human purpose. So the additive manufacturing process is like a beer, food and human bodies parts and different types of machine components or other components which have very small in size and very good strength, can be easily made with the help of additive manufacturing process. Thank you, class.